And when I'm old and I've had my fun, I'll sell my inventions so that everyone can be superheroes. Everyone can be super. And when everyone's super, no one will be.
If you never saw that movie, you're probably wondering why I just showed you a clip of a man with a massive chin talking about giving people superpowers. Now that clip is from The Incredibles. It's a movie I used to love when I was younger, and the antagonist is talking about how he's going to give everybody superpowers so that once everybody has them, nobody will be a superhero and it's just going to be the standard. Now the reason I bring that up is because in the last 2 to 3 months especially, we've never seen so many pieces of software being created with Claude Code. And there's a sort of epidemic going on right now because the instinct that everybody has initially is just to create a dashboard, which isn't inherently wrong because we all have some sort of data that we track, whether it's content, client performance, advertising, whatever. We all have some sort of data to track. And so a dashboard is kind of the first thing that comes to mind. And what ends up happening with this is that everybody has a dashboard. And when your clients will join your mentorship or your coaching or your consulting, they will just have another app in their browser to log into and to use on a day-to-day basis. And don't get me wrong, Claude Code is phenomenal. I advise for it. I encourage everybody to create their own piece of software because now we're able to have something truly custom to us. And it doesn't cost tens of thousands of dollars anymore, like it did 5 years ago. The point that everybody is missing about Claude Code and apps that they can build is not about visualizing data, it's about amplifying what you already have. Because ultimately, AI, that's what it does. Automations, agents, and applications, all they do is amplify and accelerate. They will never replace, they will never create for you, and they will never take your job. And when it comes to creating your own application, think of it as how can I amplify my own systems? How can I amplify my unique intellectual property? And if you're thinking to yourself that you don't have any unique IP, then you need to go back to the fundamentals and ignore everything about AI and go back and build your own system and find your own model. And I'll help you understand this with an example where for us inside of Scale 20, we have the one simple flywheel. 4 simple areas where we have the fascination, education, invitation, and transformation sections of the business. Essentially where Instagram, YouTube, the sales part, and the delivery aspect all fit into one of those 4 categories. This is a model and unique IP that Tom Youngs has spent years and years on perfecting, and we know it works because he uses it, all of our clients use it, and everybody gets great results. And it's only when we had the really strong confirmations that the model works and there's no leaks to it that we can then craft specific agents and an application to support our members in achieving the results. And so if you're going to take one thing away, it's just that you need to stop seeing it backwards. You need to stop seeing AI and Claude Code and all of these agents as the solution. You are the solution, you are the IP, and it's only when you have very robust processes that work and that actually get you and your clients results that you can then go with AI and start amplifying with agents and applications.